Meet Whiskers, the only cat in town whose sneeze is more powerful than a vacuum cleaner. One ordinary Tuesday, Whiskers let out a mighty, squeaky sneeze, and poof, the TV remote vanished. His owner, Mrs. Jenkins, blinked twice, then watched as a second sneeze made her left slipper disappear. Soon, neighbors lined up, hoping Whiskers would sneeze away their bills or old fruitcake. Scientists tried to study him, but their notebooks vanished too. Whiskers just twitched his nose, proud and mysterious. Never underestimate a cat with allergies and a flair for the dramatic.